The foldable iPhone, a concept that once felt more like science fiction than a real product, is now finally taking shape. After years of rumors, speculation, and countless concept renders, we're beginning to get a clearer picture of Apple's most anticipated iPhone ever. And according to the latest industry sources, Apple is going big, really big. Not only is the foldable iPhone actually happening, but it's also going to become a yearly release, just like the standard iPhone lineup. That's right. Apple doesn't see this foldable device as a one-time experiment or a luxury niche gadget. Instead, insiders say the company plans to treat it as the flagship iPhone, even more premium than the Pro and Pro Max models. In fact, the foldable iPhone is expected to eventually replace the Pro Max as the top-tier offering. That's a bold move from Apple, but it shows just how confident they are in this new form factor. Now, if you're thinking this will be a one-off, novelty like the iPhone mini or Plus models that quietly faded away, think again. Apple is positioning the foldable iPhone as a new revenue stream, a central piece of the iPhone family. Just like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series, which gets yearly updates, Apple's Foldable will follow the same pattern. Each year, a new foldable iPhone, even better than the last. It's a move that makes sense. Foldables are no longer brand new tech. They've matured, and Apple knows that entering this space means doing it in a way that dominates headlines and sets new standards. So why has it taken Apple this long to step into the foldable game? The answer is simple. Apple wants to do it perfectly. Reports suggest the company has spent years refining the design to minimize, or possibly eliminate, the crease that most foldables still suffer from. Apple doesn't want just another folding phone. It wants the foldable iPhone to be the best in the market. A sleek, elegant device that finally convinces skeptics that foldables are the future, not just a gimmick. In fact, some believe Apple wants its foldable to revive the entire foldable industry, which has seen a bit of a slowdown recently. Sales are no longer booming, and consumer excitement has plateaued. But Apple thinks it can turn that around with a game-changing design and unmatched build quality. Now, when exactly is the foldable iPhone coming? That's still a bit unclear. Some sources say we'll see it launch in 2026 alongside the iPhone 18, while others claim Apple is planning something bigger. Release in 2027, marking the 20th anniversary of the original iPhone. And to make it even more special, Apple might unveil a mostly glass iPhone Pro model at the same time. But regardless of the exact date, what's confirmed is that this foldable iPhone isn't going to be a one-hit wonder. It's here to stay. New chapter in the iPhone legacy is about to begin, and Apple is ready to compete with the best. Speaking of competition, the foldable iPhone will face some serious challengers. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be better than ever. Then there's the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which already delivers top-tier AI features powered by Gemini, something that currently beats Apple Intelligence in terms of smart functionality. And let's not forget the Oppo Find N5, a slim, sleek, and highly capable foldable that could undercut Apple's pricing significantly. So yes, Apple has its work cut out. But if there's one company that can redefine an entire product category and make it mainstream, it's Apple. Interestingly, the foldable iPhone isn't the only new experiment Apple is working on. There's also the upcoming iPhone 17 Air, a new lightweight variant that could join the lineup this year. Whether the Air and foldable models become long-term staples or end up like the short-lived Mini and Plus versions remains to be seen. But it's clear that Apple is no longer playing it safe with the iPhone. They're taking bold steps, exploring new designs, and aiming to lead once again. In the end, the arrival of the foldable iPhone marks a major shift in Apple's strategy, a willingness to embrace new ideas while continuing the brand's legacy of innovation. And with plans for yearly updates, Apple isn't just dipping its toes into the foldable market, it's diving in head first. So get ready. Whether it launches in 2026 or 2027, the foldable iPhone is coming, and it's going to change everything.